Experiencing issues with your Tesco app favorites not syncing, disappearing, or failing to load? You're not alone. Many users face this problem, but the good news is there are simple fixes you can try. The main reasons for these issues are problems with the app's data syncing mechanism, corrupted cache data, or expired login sessions. We'll walk through the most effective DIY solutions: syncing, clearing the cache, and relogging into the app. So stick around. First, force a manual sync. Go to App Settings, Account, Sync Now. This pulls the latest data from Tesco's servers. If that doesn't work, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Tesco, Storage, Clear Cache. On iOS, offload the app via Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and then reinstall it. Finally, try logging out and back in. Go to Account, Log Out, restart the app, and log back in. These steps address data integrity and connectivity issues, resolving most favorites problems. If problems persist, consult the in-app troubleshooter tool.